Trying to install Tork RZ307 timer to single pole switch. Have 2 black wires, white bundle, and copper ground in wall. Have identified hot wall wire.
Have you talked to an electrician about this?
No. Have wired these in the past, power turned off.
What have you tried so far?
Black switch wire to hot black wall wire. Blue switch wire to other black wall wire. 120 volts and chassis ground to copper wall wire. Red to white bundle.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Hi, my name is. I will be assisting you today.
Great.
Something doesn't sound right. Let me get the wiring diagram for the switch. I'll be just a moment.
Okay.
The red wire must be capped off. Not connected to anything. The same is true for the 277V ground/L ground wire.
Red wire disconnected. Blue remains on black from the wall.
Blue wire needs to be connected to the light, yes.
No connection to white bundle and wall.
No switch wires are connected to the WHT neutral wires.
Still not working.
If you applied power the way you had it wired, the switch is probably burned out.
Okay, I have another timer, we'll try that.
You have a tester to confirm which of your 2 blocks wires are the hot, yes? Great.
All done. Used another timer. Thanks.
You're welcome, I'm glad that I could help. Please feel free to come back with any future questions. You can start your inquiry with "For Wire Guy Franklin." If I'm on the site, I'll be happy to assist you. You also have the option to add me as one of your favorite experts. Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.